Hey guys, Dustin, PPC Pros. I want to talk about tour operator leads, or in this case, adventure company leads, how you can get them using Google Ads. Just want to show you this quick case study. You're not going to be able to see campaign names or anything, but this is a company that does some adventure tours and excursions. We've been working with them for a few years now. They had never done Google Ads prior to this, and this is I think we're in year 3 with them. So things are going pretty well, but I'm showing you this really just so you can see what's possible. Over the last 30 days, this particular client, if we look over here, they've spent approximately $3,400 right now, or during that period. They've got, let me just add a column or two here real quick, because we've got some bookings being tracked as well, not just leads. So what we got right now is, in terms of bookings and leads, we've got about 81 bookings and leads. Well, a combination of those. Our total cost per lead or booking, depending on which one it is, $42.20. Generated $19,000, or just say $19,800, off of $3,400 in spend. So they're getting about almost a 6-to-1 return on their money. You can see there's some campaigns are doing better than others. Some are more online booking driven than they are phone call driven. And so, we look at the revenue, but we realize there's a bunch of phone calls that are turning into bookings that we're not seeing here. This doesn't tell the whole story, but it is good to know that, you can actually see a lot of the revenue being tracked. I don't know exactly what percentage it is, but it's a lot of it, probably 70%. And we're able to tell that this guy's getting some pretty good results. So he's happy. Again, he's been with us for a while. These campaigns all represent like different types of excursions or experiences. So, usually we break these things out that way because they're either certain times of the year, or whether it's based on your staffing or based on just where you want to focus your budget. Having different experiences or different tours and different campaigns can make sense. If you got a really, really small budget, maybe that's not really possible or not advisable, but they're spending $3,400 a month, so it's not a humongous budget, but it's definitely not as small as some operators try to run with. We recommend at least $1,000 at least per month for ads. There's a few exceptions to that, but generally speaking, even with $1,000, you're just not always going to get a lot of traffic. You can see the average cost per click for him is about $1.73. So in this case, it's lower. This case is higher. Just depends what the keywords are, how competitive they are, what time of year it is. So having $1,000 doesn't give you, gives you just a little over 500 clicks. So you just got to go into it knowing what you're probably going to get, and to give yourself enough room to actually make an ROI. But regardless of that, Google Ads, leads for tour operators, you can definitely get them using Google Ads. There's a few other ways. I did a video on that recently. We're going to do some more videos on not just Google Ads, but other marketing channels and strategies and things you can do to help increase your bookings or increase your profitability on the existing traffic that you're getting. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.